A very happy Independence Day. Now I request our blue group student Sai Kitana. The color party to lead the guests towards the stage. Thank you, Color Party. I request our honorable sisters, teachers, our nation shook off the chains of colonial rule and embrace the dawn of freedom. It's a day to remember the sacrifices made by countless brave souls who fought tirelessly for our liberty. Request our staff secretaries, Mr. M. Venkateshwaru and Mrs. Tina Teacher, to accompany our sisters towards to the stage. together the moment we have all been waiting for the flag hosting. I would request our honorable sisters and staff secretary to please come over and host the flag. I request
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
of our stage.
Respected Reverend Sister Gina Rose, our beloved headmistress Reverend Sister Bessie, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shweta from class 5. We welcome you all to the special morning assembly on the occasion of 78th Independence Day. This day marks the freedom of our beloved nation from British rule. Let's start this auspicious day by patriotic dance by our little KG kids for the song India.
Let's keep the energy flowing by welcoming our junior girls for the song Kesariya Bharat.
जहाँ धरती गाती गीत नया, हर रंग में बसता प्यार सदा, बसती है पग पग प्रीत, यहाँ है उमड़ता जोश जहाँ लहरा है
a glimpse of our rich history and the journey of our freedom. We have a speech prepared by Aima Fatima from UKG. Let's invite Aima Fatima to the stage.
Myself, Aima Fatima from class UKGB. I wish you all a happy 78th Independence Day. Independence Day, most important day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, 1947, India became free from British rule. Motivates to love our country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Opening speech. Here we have Vihana and group from classes 1 and 2 to entertain us. Please welcome them.
It was a very good and thrilling performance. Thank you, Hannah. Here we have a wonderful dance performance by Ashit and his group for the song Simply Dilwani Hindustani. Let's welcome them.
समझ सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी कमर से खाली, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, ऐसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है, थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है, थोड़ी बेईमानी।
Of applause. Our next move is to invite Karthi from class 4 to deliver a speech.
A very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. Independence Day is a national celebration among the mass of Indians. Every year on this day, we host our national flag and sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. We give tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. We show our gratefulness for being a part of an independent country with speeches. Independence Day fills our heart with patriotic spirit. Independence Day is a national celebration among the mass of Indians. Independence Day is a festival of freedom for us. By this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind. Wonderful speech. Now we welcome Adya and group from class
They have done their best to entertain us. Now, I would like to invite Hania from class 6B to deliver her speech on Independence Day.
और मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज 15 अगस्त है और इस दिन हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। यह दिन हम सबके लिए गौरवपूर्ण और पावन है, क्योंकि 15 अगस्त 1947 को अंग्रेजों के अत्याचार और गुलामी से चारों ओर उत्सव का वातावरण देखकर मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता हो रही है। मुझे इस अवसर पर बात करने का मौका देने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Another patriotic dance by senior girls. The song is Bande Mataram. Please welcome them.
little sister Bessie to share a few words and guide our young minds on this significant day. Please welcome our sister.
Students and our beloved sister Gina Rose, the correspondent of the school. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Let us remember and pray for the people who lost their lives in Wayanad through flood and in Bangladesh through riots. Let us pray for them for a moment. They are not with us today to celebrate this Independence Day. Thank you. Can you say anyone at least one line? By Rabindranath Tagore, there is a very famous poem on the freedom of our country. No, in English. Okay, let me tell you. Let my Indians raise their heads where there is no fear. Let them raise your head on high. So, what do you mean by freedom? So, what do you mean by freedom? Children, come on. Freedom means without fear. Yes or no? If you have fear, do you have freedom? So, you look at your parents. Your parents, fathers, mothers, your brothers, sisters, all are here. Now, just we turn to our daily life. Do we enjoy the real freedom every day? Okay? Come on. So, at home, father is frightened of mother and children. Yes or no? Yes. And the mother is frightened of father and children. Do you have freedom? Whether my daddy will come at eve after drinking and fight with me, whether my daddy will buy the books which I need, whether he will bring the rice which is needed for my home. So, you are frightened. And the mother-in-law is frightened of whom? Daughter-in-law. And the daughter-in-law is frightened of mother-in-law. The vegetable which we get in the market, it is full of pesticides. No. You go to a doctor, tell me, the doctor will recognize your sickness as it is or something else? What the doctors will do nowadays? They will write some serious sickness, yes or no? Even if you have a small headache and a small fever, they will write high dose medicines and they will say that it is very serious, you have to go for MRI scanning, that we think. But who are supposed to bring freedom? Who are supposed to bring freedom? We ourselves have to get freedom from our own self and from our society and from our brethren. Dear parents and students and teachers, if you respect your father, if you respect your mother, if you respect your husband, if you respect your wife, if you respect your child, and you respect the neighbors and love them, whether you will have freedom? If you respect, you have freedom or not? When you respect, you will get freedom. Why? When you respect and love, there is no place for fear. There is no place for fear. The person whom we love, the person whom we respect, we will never like to see them getting sick, getting spoiled, or they are in trouble. We don't want. We want them to be always happy. Yes or no? Yes. They should be always. We want my brother, my sister, my wife, my husband, my children, my father-in-law, my sister-in-law, my daughter-in-law. They want to be. Yes. So, there is no need of fearing about kidnapping. No need of girl child going evening time in the street. No need to fear. You can send them freely. Take them away. Or what will happen to my children? There is no need. And we give the gate pass in the school. from here whether we need gate pass? No. So, freedom to our lives. So, dear children, today onwards, now we are very fast approaching the Acting Festival, no? Yes. So, what we are going to do? We are going to take the acting to our village. Asking what you have to take care of me. Okay? So, that freedom, that care, that love, if we can enjoy in our day-to-day life, there will be no matter of fear and we all will enjoy freedom. So, once again I wish you all happy Independence Day. May God bless you. Thank you. Members, they were working hard. You have done well. It was a very good performance in time. Perfectly you have done in a perfect way. So congratulations and thank you dear teachers and students. Thank you.
Enlightening words from our HM sister. Thank you, sister.
As we conclude our event, I invite Mrs. Chandni Singh teacher to give vote of thanks. Please welcome her.
I am very glad to be standing here to express my vote of thanks. First and foremost, I am immensely thankful to our school management, Reverend Sister Gina Rose, the correspondent and the Reverend Sister Bessie, our beloved headmistress and other sisters for making us today a grand success. I also extend my thanks to all the staff members for their enormous cooperation and support. My sincere thanks